Did you know that it takes about 60 to 85 days for a tomato plant to grow from a tiny seed to a juicy tomato ready to eat? If you want to learn how to grow your very own tomatoes, let's go on this gardening adventure together. To start growing tomatoes, choose either organic or fresh tomatoes from the market. Slice them and start the seeds indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Use a seed starting mix of 60% garden soil and 40% vermicompost, which is light and fluffy. Place the seed inside, cover it lightly with soil, water gently, and put it in an area with some shade. And once it starts to grow, move it into direct sunlight for optimal growth. After the first true leaves appear, you can give them a little boost with diluted liquid seaweed fertilizer. This helps them grow strong. Once your baby plants are about 6 inches tall, it's time to get the garden ready. Find a sunny spot in your yard where the plants can soak up lots of sunshine. Next, dig another hole and gently continue to thrive and produce a bountiful harvest. Depending on the variety of tomato growing, you can expect to start harvesting your juicy tomatoes around 50 to 60 days after transplanting.
Did you know that after learning how to grow your tomatoes, it's crucial to remember not to waste them? It takes days to grow, care for, and nurture these delicious fruits, and it only takes minutes to waste them. Now, let's dive into 5 more benefits of tomatoes and 5 facts about them that people might not know. 1. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any diet. 2. They're low in calories, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. 3. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. 4. They're a great source of fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. 5. Tomatoes are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to sauces. Now, for some fun facts about tomatoes. 1. Tomatoes are actually fruits, not vegetables. 2. The first tomato plant was discovered in Mexico in the 16th century. 3. The largest tomato ever recorded weighed over 7 pounds. 4. Tomatoes are the most popular vegetable in the United States. 5. Tomatoes are the main ingredient in ketchup, which is the most popular condiment in the world. That's it for today's tomato talk. Remember, don't waste these amazing fruits, and enjoy the many benefits they offer. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more gardening tips and fun facts.